Hey guys, welcome back. Here's a prelude. We're at the COPAKE Lake in COPAKE, New York. We're out bombing around today and figured it's such a nice day with very little wind. We would come out and maybe try to get some video flying around the lake so that you can see part of it. I'll show you the rigging we've got. And this is the SJRC X11. This is going to be part of the 2-month review, okay? Stay tuned. Okay guys, this is the SJRC X11 drone. This is the factory standard remote with antennas that are just artificial. They don't do anything. There's actually a barrel antenna inside this, and it really limits the distance the drone has communications with the remote itself. So what I've done is I actually bought a new standalone remote control. Bought it off Amazon for $25. I went inside and removed the barrel antenna, and I mounted up external antennas, as you can see, and these screw on and off. They're omnidirectional, and I've got different sizes and units for distance and length. I also bought a hood that I use on an Apple tablet to look at the picture, so I don't use my phone anymore. All right, so the next thing you're gonna see is a flight. Talk to you later. So I wasn't able to get as long of a flight as we wanted to really try for. The remote, the transmitter, was about out of battery. I had about maybe 15 minutes of flight time. The wind was kind of strong, and I had a couple issues fighting with the drone to get it to come back here in the wind. I did put it in high speed, which did help. The antenna system that I have on the modified transmitter from SJRC actually eats batteries really quickly. So it went from the little barrel antenna to 2 rabbit ear antennas, which, let me pull it up here and you can see it. So this is what it has now, and these are true 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi antennas with the wiring and everything that's been soldered onto the motherboard inside. These things actually make the battery inside the remote die twice as quick. So before a standard flight, I could get like 2 half-hour flights out of this drone before I needed to recharge the transmitter. Now I can get maybe 1 20-minute flight, possibly 25 minutes, depending on how much the transmitter has to send signals to the drone. But I have 2 transmitters. I'm not sure if I can actually link up with one when the battery dies and another while it's in the air. And I know I can't get the range out of the factory remote that I can out of the one I've modified. So depending on how far away I am and what if anything, if the drone can hook up to another transmitter once the battery's dead in a first transmitter, I'll have to try that experiment. So when I get back to the house, I'm going to do the review for the SJRC X11 and its flights that we've done. You know, I'll go through the good and the bads of it. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and we'll see you soon. Love y'all. Bye.